Grange Pafiliwn Youth Forum is a collective of young people that come together twice a week to provide activities and support each other. I do love working with young people and I do love what I do. We truly do care about each other and our improvements, and that's really what makes the Youth Forum an amazing place.
Shoruk is having a massive impact on young people. She is dedicated to her role as a director of the Youth Forum.
I think Shoruk's direct impact on young people is quite immense. You can see, young people gaining their confidence, having someone open to talk to about the challenges they face. She's always super engaging and really intelligent and has lots of new ideas. She's learned all those skills being a role model for other young people.
Everything that Shoruk does for us, setting up opportunities, going on trips, charity events, whatnot, everything that she does, Shoruk is doing out the goodness of her. And I guess it just makes us feel good, and like I said, it kind of gives us a sense of family. Seeing the fact that Shoruk can do it, and she has done it for years on end, is kind of we can all do it, and it's just kind of having that self-belief.
I think Shoruk can be anything she wants to be, and I'm sure there's a lot in store for her in her future.
A big thank you, Shoruk, for everything that you do for us.
I can't wait to continue working with you to make a bigger impact for young people's lives in Grangetown.
Sometimes you need that voice that says, you can do it, get up, you got this in you.